Hello and welcome to C.LynnsArt of Cooking. So today we're doing another simple soup using a Taste of Thai thin rice noodles, the spaghetti shape, which is definitely my second favorite. We got Himalayan pink salt, onion powder, oregano leaves, black pepper, all of which I got at the Dollar Tree, and garlic powder, which I believe I got at Aldi's. If you don't know, Dollar Tree is definitely my favorite store, and Aldi's is second. But first when it comes to groceries. So let's go ahead and get started. Now, as you see, all of these are in water together with olive oil. I did about 2 spoonfuls. And everything is in the microwave, all set to go. So we're going to go ahead and set this for approximately 5 minutes, and then we'll check if they're good enough to chew. 5 minutes set. Okay, let's see what we got. 5 minutes is done. Okay, so as you see, the noodles are nice and cooked. So we're going to go ahead and take this out very carefully because it is hot. And I got my nice little Dollar Tree mat. Always find joy in the journey, because the journey is hard and is rough. You will go through some things, but you will have joy. Gotta stay focused. So we're going to take this out and put it right on top, because we got things to add to it. So we have washed mixed greens here. These are from Sam's Club in the container. It's just regular salad of the mixed veggies greens, but I wash them. Those are going in there. And also I have some previously chopped and washed onions. These are the onions, and all of these are going in here. Now, as you see with the onions, I used about 1/4 of a container, which in essence was probably, I would say, 3/4 of an onion. Not quite a whole onion, because I believe this is about 2.5 onions that I had cut up previously. So I put those in there. Now all of the lettuce is in here. And what we're going to do is put this right back into the microwave. Just kind of spread everything around it so it gets a little bit more under the water. So I'm not adding any more water. I'm just squeezing them in there, because it's just different lettuces. It's not a big deal. Okay, so we got that in there. Now we're going to take that with our mat, because it's still hot. Put this right back into the microwave. We're going to cook that for just 1 minute. Alright, so as you can see, everything has been cooked. We're going to take this out and get it to the cooking station. Alright, so we're back at the cooking station with all the ingredients in our bowl, which is also from Dollar Tree. This pattern probably is not in stock, because I believe these kind of patterns are seasonal, but they do have other great dishware. Alright, back to the meal. So, with this simple soup, As you can see, it is done, but I like to see my seasonings. I see a little bit of oregano here and there, but I want to be able to taste it fully. So this is time where you just taste a little bit of your soup broth so you can be able to know, okay, is this flavorful? Because if it's not flavorful, then we gotta adjust it. Okay, from what I taste, it's got a little flavor but needs some more. So we're doing salt. And always do it according to your tasting and your dietary needs. A little bit of garlic. And some pepper. Onion powder. And yes, onion powder, even though there's onions in there, they still taste different. And the oregano. Stir that all in. And this will definitely be lunch and dinner. Or if I didn't want to eat it for dinner, it could be lunch today and lunch tomorrow. But either way, as I was told, waste not, want not. So we won't waste. It will get eaten one day or the other. Now let's go ahead and plate it. Or bowl it. And there you are. From C.Lynn's Art of Cooking, a very simple soup. Nothing complicated. Just need your seasonings, water, rice noodles because they cook quick. Get you some dishware that makes you happy. These are only $1. And you still have plenty for later. For more meal ideas, go to my website, C.LynnsArtofcooking.com. Happy eating!